Sklearn predict and accuracy score. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're actually going to be taking our data, running it through our predict method, and then testing and getting our accuracy score. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject, sometimes two if they go together, at a time. So all right. So you're going to need to bring in metrics to then get to accuracy score. So add this to your line of code right here. All right. And then we're going to do y predict equals, so this does return an object, and then predict, if I can spell it correctly, and then we pass in our, so we did train x, train y, now we're going to do test x, and we're going to be getting, and then these two are going to go together, test x, test y, but it's going to be predicting y predict. So I should say predict y, but all right, day late and dollar short, test x. All right, so there we go. So now accuracy, then metrics dot, is it accuracy score? Yeah, accuracy score. I don't know, accuracy score. So now you pass in what you get, what you're going to be testing your predict object against your test object. So let's go through this real slow. So I'm going to pass in y dot predict, comma, and then our test y. And we'll go over that again. And then print ACC. Okay, you can see that. Just wanted to check. All right, so now let's run this. And we're going to run this a couple times because I'm going to show you, you can, and we're actually probably going to backstep and play with our train test split method next time. All right. Okay, so our first go round, we got 96.66666. Let's do it again. 93, 96, and then here we are at 100%. So you can begin, you go, well, why? Well, because of the sample size and which samples got chosen. So it would be some of those that were blending around. So what we're going to do next video is we're going to go and tweak. We're going to consistently get the same sets, and then we're going to toy around with this. So I'll have some data already pre-chosen, because what I really want to do is get this one, and then so our data, yeah, I'll figure all that out. Get our data set to output, and then toy with this, tweak this, and see if we can begin to improve our accuracy score. So, okay, real quick video today, and you can read on this. So we're going to be looking at our little bit of foreshadowing, train test split, and we're going to be doing our random, I believe it's the random state, not our training size. But yeah, because it's just like the seed method, we're able to control which ones and repeat, because if you're going to be playing with this with your training fit, but you're constantly changing which data points you're sampling, it's like trying to shoot at a moving target. That's a good way to think about it. All right. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping down to the Discord server down below. A lot of great supportive questions and answers happening over there. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.